question. Nonetheless, I will not be opposed to the application for adjournment. However, I'll be needing enough time to respond, provided they serve me on time. Thank you very much, sir.
Mr. Ajibada, the summary of it is that you could not settle. Settlement has failed. So we are going into hearing. So I think Mr. Ajibada promised that by tomorrow they will serve me. Did you say today? Did you say
tomorrow, sir?
Yes, the process tomorrow, will be served within jurisdiction tomorrow. We make that undertaking and we made the arrangements already.
Why tomorrow? You filed it. You filed it, so they can serve them today.
Yeah, we're just assuming that maybe today is gone, but if we can be served today, we'll try that. So on or before tomorrow, the process will be served.
Well, Mr. Ajibada, once you are served, if you have anything to respond, so we adjust our hearing.
As a court pleases.
We'll take a date in June for hearing. Will 18th be convenient? 18th of June?
No, my lord.
I will defer to Lionel Silk on the convenient date, but we typically have been taking like the Thursdays of this week in every month.
Lionel Silk is with you there. You can consult with her. The 18th.
My lord, I don't know if I can, but just by the way, I do not intend to draw this honorable tribunal back by way of benevolence. If counsel on the other side can avail me soft copies prior to the serving of the hard copies, I would gladly appreciate that, sir.
Is that possible?
We'll do that today. Within the hour, within 30 minutes of the close of these proceedings, we'll send the soft copies of the processes to Lionel Counsel.
Please, if you are sending the soft copies, kindly copy the tribunal.
Copy the tribunal. Copy us.
Copy the tribunal.
I respectfully, subject to the convenience of the Honorable Tribunal, suggest the 18th of June. Mr. Lebeju, is that okay?
No, 18th is not convenient for me.
It's not convenient. Then can we suggest the 25th of June?
Let us say it's only 1 week in a month. The last day of sitting for June.
Beg your pardon, I'm sorry, I can't hear you, Honorable Tribunal.
We sit 1 week every month. So the last day for June 16 is 19th.
19th is okay for me.
June is 19th.
19th. Mr. Lebeju, is that okay?
Yeah, 18th is convenient, Lionel Silk. Thank you.
I think we're suggesting the 19th.
19th is Friday, also convenient, Lionel Silk.
Yes. Yes, thank you, Honorable Tribunal. Subject to your convenience, the 19th of June is convenient.
Mr. Ajibada,
very convenient for me, sir. We are grateful, sir.
19th?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Lebeju, we have recorded you that you undertake to serve the self-purpose of the processes today on the respondent.
Very much so, Lionel Tribunal, Honorable Tribunal, sir. We'll do that. But I should clarify that what we're sending to him are the soft copies before filing, which is essentially what we filed, because it's a huge bundle, so, but we're sending to him under the hour within 30 minutes.
The tribunal will still serve the hard copies within jurisdiction on the.
Yes.
Yes. So by consent of all parties, it's adjourned to the 19th June 2026 for hearing.
As the tribunal pleases, may we respectfully take our leave at this time?
Yes, kindly. We're happy to have you today.
Thank you very much, Honorable Tribunal.
And Mr. Ajegbada, maybe he knew that the SN will be available, so he appeared for the first time.
It's actually a privilege for me that the first time I'll be officially appearing before the Honorable Tribunal, I'll be appearing also with the very beautiful Leonard Silk. I take it as a privilege.
So we appeal to the SN to always show up so that Mr. Ajegbada can attend.
Definitely.
We're most obliged. It's a privilege appearing before this tribunal as well. We're grateful. Thank you, my lords.
We're grateful. May I also adopt the application of the Leonard Silk to take my leave?
Well, it's okay. No problem.
We are grateful, sir.
Thank you.
Call the next case.
3 on the court place with appeal number T18/SSS/002/2022. Vital State Board of Internal Revenue versus Continental Oil and Gas Limited.
Sorry, I don't need to keep money.
I'm fine at home.
Thank you very much.
Your fire is in your pocket today.
Thank you, my lord.
Okay.
We are grateful.
Because your friend is not here.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Bembe is my very good friend, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.
Respectfully, Honorable Tribunal members, I am Precious at Boyford, and I'm holding the brief of Precious at Boyford.
Yeah.
I'm holding the brief of Olome Okodia. Respectfully appear for the respondent's applicants now.
For the
Respondents are
developments, there's a, okay. It's not available.
here.
Okay, madam, are you in the matter? No?
No, she's
Okay, you are with us.
Yes, sir.
She said somebody is available. Okay, any party rep for the respondent? No.
No.
Okay, so I'm going for.
We have an application.
Very sure it's within the brief. I know the last time you were here on the 15th of February. Okay. Thank you, Dom.
We have an application for still proceedings. And they've been served. They even filed a counter. Okay.
When was the application finding?
24th of April, 2026. And it was filed same day.
On the 24th?
24th of April, sir.
No, sir. No. Very well, Madam Precious, you were here when I was talking about the effect of council. That's the information we got this month. He called the secretary to the captain. Well, what did we do?
In the circumstance, we'll take a bit, but we actually find a counter.
Yes, yes. If he didn't file a counter to be a different issue, but not that they have joint issues. And then they want to, they want to oppose your appeal.
Yes.
So we take the date for the motion to stay.
Yes.
We take 18th.
It's convenient.
18th.
Yes. Yeah, very.
Yeah, yeah.
You got the wrong.
Nothing looks like the other, other document I'm trying to share with itself.
It's no. Council to the appellant respondent said to have called the tribunal secretary this morning that is indisposed. The circumstances, this case is adjourned to the 18th June 2026 for the respondent applicant's motion still substitute.
Last on the 14th of April on the CJT/LL/3 delivering the American King Limited on the Remove Service. With profound respect to the tribunal, honorable members, my name is Nuruddin Aziz. An normal appearance for the appellant, and with me is my learned friend, Cynthia Okezie. We are most obliged.
Yes.
Right, the matter is adjourned today for ruling.
No party rep.
No party rep.
Professionally adjourned for
ruling, sir. And continuation of hearing. Yes, sir. Although learned counsel wrote a letter of adjournment in some of other cases that we are both appearing.
This was not one of them. You are very good.
But I told him that Pellegrini, I don't know.
You don't need to buy. I don't think that you copy each one. Let's see the copy. Okay.
It's for NCG. You have it. Is there 032-2023? Is there? However, I told him when he sent it to me that the matter is just for ruling. That while I concede to adjournment on all the other ones, that the ruling should at least go on.
The ruling will not take time because for ruling and continuation.
Yes, and he agreed that okay, the ruling can go on, then we can adjourn for continuation of hearing because his absence does not really affect the tribunal going.
Yes, actually, we before we came out with, we considered that we said we know that where parties are absent and the matter is adjourned for adoption of briefs or addresses or for judgment or those things can go on. But where a party asks for adjournment and we ignore the adjournment and so if we take the ruling, it's hearing. We are going on with the hearing in spite of the letter of adjournment. They say we are discountenancing the letter.
So most of the time, whenever a matter is adjourned for ruling, any application trying to arrest the said either judgment or ruling, most of the time is
I don't think that is an arrest. I think one of my colleagues raised that issue whether it's an arrest or judgment, and I said that is not arrest.
The ruling must be given.
That one is not arrest.
Yes. Although he agreed with me,
It's not him.
You see, some of this we have to be a bit
he said
careful.
okay that the ruling can
Not
go
all
on.
about him and you.
We have to be a bit careful. So
We
that
also try ahead.
if it goes up, you will not cite one party will not start citing that. We wrote for adjournment and the
We also try.
I take the hint of the tribunal.
you understand? So
I take the hint of the tribunal.
that is where we agree that
We, however, will be making a subsequent application and the matter be set for ruling and definite hearing. So that at least the two issues can go on that.
Exactly.
I
So
mean,
that is the way we look at it this side.
All right, sir.
Because since there's a little, the ruling is ready.
All right, sir.
You said there's a little for adjournment.
We'll be obliged if 18 can be considered, sir, because we already have a date for the 16th.
How many
17th?
Yeah, so this is
18, so that on each day we can take our hearing because all the cases are for hearing. We are most grateful, sir.
the hearing is supposed to be defense.
Yes, it's
You're
defense.
supposed to have, you should be a witness.
Yeah, defense.
In view of the letter for adjournment from counsel to the respondent, and with the consent of the appellant, this case is further adjourned to the 18th, 2026 for ruling and defense. So, yes. Please, right.
Yes, but I'm living in the evening. Get to know. Thank you. I thought it was actually in the note tomorrow. No, he's talking about the no, please let me tell him I'm not here.
That's why you short, sir. All right, Steve John, Chico, say, okay, say, witness. I'm sorry.